been a long time. I don't think it's gonna start. It's really not that bad. If I was to, I mean, it's bad. Coolant in the crankcase, and I'm also burning oil. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and we are in an unusual place if you're a regular on the channel that we haven't been in a long time. We're actually in my garage, and this is my other baby. This is tarheelfox, which really has not been on the channel in a while. I don't know how long it's been, but I feel like it's been a long time. So I know I haven't personally started this car, I think since February. The car hasn't ran since February. In fact, I think the last time the car was driven, it was driven by Andrew from Brutal's channel. That was the last time I know, because when I got in it this morning, I was getting ready to start it and I was like, well, let's just see if it'll even start. The seat was not where I needed it to be. So I don't think it's gonna start. It hasn't started since February, but we're gonna try just in case and see what happens. The car is really dirty. If you look, I have pointed this out recently, but yeah, there's someone's written wash me in it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the car is just disgusting. So it hasn't been cleaned in a long time. I need to at least push it out. One thing is I don't really want to get flat spots on my tires. It's been here since February. This is July right now. So I need to see if I can crank it up, move it out. Worst case, I'll push it out. Just bring you guys along. Not SSP stuff today, just this little bit here on tarheelfox, and maybe we'll talk a little bit more about it, the plans. A lot of new subscribers actually since the last time this car was on here, so you may only know it from the intro. You might not really understand much about this car, which used to be kind of a big deal on the channel. Anyway, enough talking, let's see if it'll start. Just doing my Instagram story update. So if you want like more regular updates on what I'm into, definitely follow me on Instagram, Gearhead 704. I'll put it up on the screen. I'm pretty happy right now. I haven't heard this car in forever. So anyway, let me move it out. We'll get it washed today, and we'll talk a little bit more about this. All right. Hi y'all, I've got the kids on the channel again. It's been a while. Actually, I don't know if my youngest daughter has ever been on the channel. You want to wave at them? All right, that's Alyssa, and then the boys have been on the channel before watching tarheelfox, which maybe we want to do that again. I don't know. Jack's having a little trouble with seatbelts. This is Jack, this is Will. Foxtoberfest, that's right. Will said the end outro, the end of Foxtoberfest. So. Oh, we're going to. Don't worry. Yeah, she asked if we can take the convertible top down. You guys might not be able to hear. It's really loud in this car. Yeah, we're definitely going to do that. So I haven't driven the car since February, so hopefully we won't break down. I was surprised it started up. Thought y'all might enjoy going for a little ride. That was a fun little ride. besides the younger kids, which you saw, I also took my wife and my oldest daughter, Kristen, for a ride. Went around, and yeah, it was just nice to stretch the legs of Tar Heel Fox a little bit. You know, it's been a long time since I've driven her. The reason why I'm not driving her more, in case you're new to the channel, is I have coolant in the crankcase, and I'm also burning oil. So the more I drive it, the worse the bearings get, the more problems I could have, and that's not good. So that's why I haven't really been driving it. But as you can see, it still can run. I'm really surprised it hasn't started since February, and it started right up. That was kind of crazy for me. But yeah, right now I really want to clean it up. Like I said before in the video, it was dirty, so I'm gonna get her clean real quick. Not a wax or anything, but just a little clean. Let me go ahead and take care of that, and we'll see how she looks. All right, time to start washing her. I've got my two daughters to help me, Kristen and Alyssa, so you're gonna see us all running around really fast, and hopefully it'll be way quicker for you than it is for us. But she needs to be clean, so let's get her done. All right guys, as usual, the GoPro battery died, so I wasn't able to record all of that, but the girls did great. They did so great. I just told them they were gonna be in the thumbnail. They seem really excited about that. So cool to have the whole family involved today, but yeah, let me show you the car. I really do like how it came out. And I'm gonna cast some shadows here. Maybe I can get over here and not cast as many. There you go, you can see down the side. It's looking pretty good. Still working on the top a little bit. Got some, this tire cleaner that actually works on top as well, so working on that, but I think she looks good. What do you think, Kristen? What do you think? You like it? Mm-hmm. She needed this, didn't she?
Yes, she did.
Yes, absolutely. Mm-hmm. All right, so we're gonna finish up on this, and I'll catch up with you guys in just a second. All right, y'all, Tar Heel Fox is inside in the garage and all cleaned up, and really it's a different color. I mean, in the light versus not. So this isn't as much light. Come right back here where the light's hitting it. You guys, I don't know if it shows on camera, but in person, it is so different. I still love this color. I still love this car. I still love this car, and I wanted you guys to know, mainly I made this video, well, one, I needed to wash the car. Two, I was really shocked that it started up. I did not think it would. That surprised me, honestly. But then kind of the third reason is I wanted you guys to know that I still love this car, and I still plan on doing stuff with this car. It's just that the SSP has needed so much, as you guys know. I mean, I even recently had to cut metal out of her. I got to replace the Kaale. Like, I never thought I would get to that point with this car with the SSP. So Tar Heel Fox has been delayed. Like I said, engine, it's really not that bad. If I was to, I mean, it's bad. Don't get me wrong, it's bad. But it's not that bad in that I can't drive it. Just driving it makes it worse. But if I change the spark plugs right now, because I'm sure they're fouled with oil, but if I was to change the plugs, make sure the oil level and coolant levels are good, I could probably drive it around a little bit and not completely destroy it, you know, right away. Again, what's really gonna happen, I know because I ran into this before, is once the bearings get kind of worn out, the car will start vibrating pretty bad. And all kinds of other things that happen, but I'm not even at that vibration stage point yet. So the car is here. Now, did I do the most amazing job in cleaning it? No, I just washed it. In fact, I use dish soap, which I know apparently nowadays is a really big no-no. No one says to wash your car with dish soap. I mean, it's just, apparently it's really bad now. I didn't know that. My dad always did that growing up, and his cars look fine, and honestly, mine look fine too, but I guess it does stuff to the paint. Who knows? I've got Expel on most of this anyway. I have Expel just about, I don't know, 80% of this car, so I don't know if it tears up the Expel or what, but I even shined up the tires, forgot to mention that. So I know a while back, if any of you guys remember, I did kind of ask you which engine I should put in it, and I said I was just gonna rebuild the 331. The more I think about it, the more I do the SSP. You know, I don't know. I might either get another car, which I've been talking about as well. I'm not sure what I want to do, but I still think it's gonna be a while. The SSP has so much more. I think the SSP is gonna probably take me once a week, maybe another 4 months if I'm lucky. So, but I really appreciate you guys sticking in there. Overall, my views have been down the last couple of months, but my interaction with the people that are watching it, they seem to really like it, and it's not really about views, it's about what I want to do and sharing it with you guys. And I know you guys that are watching, you seem to really enjoy this content, so I really appreciate that. It means a lot. To even have the subscribers and views I have, it means a lot to me. I never thought I would get this far. I don't say this a lot, or at least I don't think I do, but I did want to mention it this time, and yeah, I just really appreciate it. So that's pretty much it. I can't think of anything else. You know where we're headed with this car. If you want to know more about this car, and I didn't cover anything in this particular video, just hit me with a comment down below. I respond to all my comments, virtually all of them. The only ones I don't respond to is if they're really just obnoxious, or just something stupid. I usually don't respond to those, but everything else, I pretty much do. So, I guess that's it. This is a shorter video, having trouble closing it out, as you can tell. Again, just big thanks to my daughters too as well. And even my sons who rode in the car earlier today. That was a big deal for them. They're not really into the Foxbody thing, but it was cool to see both of them ride in it. And yeah, it was a blast. So again, this is the 4th of July for me, and I don't know when you guys are seeing this, but it's probably way in the future because I have a lot of content to put up. So, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping here for the first time and you like what you see, please subscribe, because we do upload here 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. And we'll see you next time here on Gearhead 704. This is a shorter video. I'm having trouble closing it out. No one says to wash it with dish soap. No one says to wash it with dish soap. Wow, this might make bloopers.